Okay, the chirping was a bit loud in this section of road, so I'm going to try recording it again. This is a lower speed section. And the bike is warmed up now. This is when it's usually worst, at lower speeds under load. If I could climb a hill, that would help, but there isn't a hill around. I'll have to look for it. I'll avoid a dirt road. There it is. There's a small hill, let's try it. Yep, that brought it out. That was another hill, and it was nice and loud, if you can call that nice. It seems like once the transmission is warmed up, it's louder. It also seems like it really starts going at about 30 miles per hour. Very large farm vehicles ahead of me, going slowly, naturally. There's the church again. I'm going whichever way that thing is not. A tractor hauling something. I know a little about farm equipment, but I've got no idea what this thing is hauling. Oh, okay, I see. It looks like it's a pair of trailers that drop down. They're angled up in the rear of the vehicle. That's a new one. Yep. pretty as usual, even with the sun on out.